Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your reading for August the 1st to August the 3rd reading. Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or a bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung if you still care, no, sa inyong exes, yung X-Files po na reading, hindi ko na po dito i-release. Doon na po siya sa Facebook. So, I'm going to release it almost every day, no? So, subscribe po or follow me sa Facebook. Ayan. So, magsimula na tayo, no? Capricorn. Capricorn. So, it kind of make me feel that there's actually a heightened energy in here. There's a sense of urgency, for this person to return. Siguro your person actually thought of this relationship is not going to end, will never going to end. I already made this realization, or I already had this realization of nasa akin na pala itong mga hinahanap ko, pero pinakawalan ko lang. So I'm a fool, no, and I also want to make things right, kaya ganun na lang din yung panggigigil. So nakakita ko dito Capricorn ng medyo pangulit ni person. The reason being is because the person wanted to um, get your trust back, have a chance. I don't want to say second chance. You probably made or given this person second, third. I don't know how many chances there is. Pero ang nakita ko nga dito, no, parang sige na, bigay mo na sa akin. Last na to, hindi ko na talaga gagawin. Um, Something here made your person kind of like U-turn, no? Meron talaga ditong biglang, parang mga biglang liko nga, kailangan kong bumalik. For some reason, hindi ko pala kayang mawala, no? Si Capricorn sa buhay ko with the Nine of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Knight of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, your happiness um, is slowly, ayoko sabihin nagpapakipot tayo or magpapakipot tayo. Although, syempre, masaya tayo na our person is going to return. Or, kung hindi man, kung ayaw nyo na, at least the person is going to ask for an apology. If you're asking for it, or at least your person is going to kind of like reconnect with you. Whatever you want to do in this connection, I think it will be granted. Pero first, kukulitin ka muna niya. Pwede ba muna makipagbalikan, no? Um, I think na napagod na rin tayo ng kakaantay. Parang feeling natin na hindi naman ito mangyayari. So, hindi ko na rin inisip, no? Pero eto na siya, pabalik na. With the Seven of Swords and the Ten of Swords. So, I don't wanna say, maintindihan ko kasi kung yung itong tao, itong si Capricorn na babalikan, is pinagpalit siya for a third party, of course, no? I know my value. So, bakit kita tatanggapin? Ikaw yung umalis, ikaw yung bumalik. Pero nandito ka na, ay nadudumihan ako, no? Parang nadudumihan ako sa iyo, you know, and I feel like I cannot trust you anymore. Siguro bakit ka bumalik, nag-away kayo, ano ko, rebound, no? So, meron talagang mga, especially yung galing dito, ayoko na. Pero meron dito mga Capricorn na parang hindi naman ganun kalala yung ginawa. Na I'm still giving you an nth time, no? Of chances, of a chance, no? Pero ito na talaga din ang pinakahuli. Uh, with the Seven of Cups and the Wise One. So, what I am seeing in here is parang sinasabi mo dito, let's set an agreement, no? Kung babalik ka, hindi kita basta tatanggapin ng, o sige, para kang Yung baka gusto mong ipagbanda pa kita o markila pa ako ng banda, no? Para lang bumalik ka. No, hindi ko yung gagawin. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ikaw yung umalis, ikaw yung bumalik, no? Pero papatuloyin kita uli, no, sa buhay ko if we are going to set an agreement, 'di ba? So hindi pwedeng ikaw lang, no? Kailangan ako naman this time ang masusunod, no? With the King of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. So, ang dami rin gustong sabihin ni person para sa'yo, ayokong marinig, no? Um, Siguro kung meron kang mga gustong ipangako sa akin, hindi yun yung hindi yun yung priority ko. Ang priority ko dito, masunod itong sinasabi kong agreement natin, no? Um, kung gusto mong patunayan, much better. Kung hindi, eh bahala ka. Nasa sa'yo yun. Pero parang meron kang wall with a page of pentacles in here. Parang you're still aware, no? Parang bukas yung mata mo every time nakikilos na yun si person. So parang under surveillance siya, no? Para siyang nasa CCTV, no? Siyempre, we cannot remove, no, itong action ni Capricorn dahil nga nawalan nga siya ng tiwala, 'di ba? So with the Knight of Wands and the Ten of Swords, so it also makes me feel na Ten of Swords kasi is the Two of Cups and the Ace of Wands. So I feel like doon sa mga wala pang or walang agreement ba, cohabitation, proposal, marriage, I think doon na to papunta. No, I want to really sign up an agreement with you, and that includes cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. Doon naman po sa mga nandun na or na-experience na, I think that ibabalik natin yung passion, magdadagdag tayo ng anak, no? To make this bond a little more symbolic, intense, and I feel like etong relationship na ito is heading towards to another level of commitment. Kung may higher pa man sa kasal, I don't know what is, pero si person is really willing, to exert an effort. Let's just clarify the King of Cups. I'm actually intrigued. No, ano yung mga gusto niya sabihin? The Nine of Swords and the World card. So hindi na kita i-stressin. Ay, madali kasing sabihin yan, no? Pero tignan natin, no? I'm keeping an eye on you, no, person. So, yun ang sabi ni Capricorn. So, tingnan natin dito ang emotions, no? This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. You are the light at the end of my tunnel, and I miss you, but I don't have time right now. So, I think that this is you. Kaya nga sabi ko, medyo nag-slide, um, natutuwa ka pero ayaw mong ipakita na sobra yung tuwa mo na makita mo siya, no? Para kasing dito, okay, nasagot mo na itong mga katanungan sa isip ko. So thank you, no, dahil um nabigyan mo uli, no, ng liwanag itong madilim na mundo. Ayan. So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign, no, ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Leo, Cancer. I'm seeing um, Sagittarius, Scorpio, no? Taurus. I am seeing Pisces, Virgo, no? I am seeing Capricorn, Leo. So Virgo talaga, no? Napaka-dominant, no? Sagittarius. Ayan. So this is your reading, Capricorn. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kapilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So kung gusto niyo ng dalawang reading sa akin again or live, makinig ng live, dun po yan sa Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo po makuha or maabutan itong live sessions, dito po sa comment section pwede naman kayo magtanong as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. So, kung feeling niyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, ayan, hindi ko yung binibigyan ng chance, no? Para hindi kayo masagot. Sa description box po, nandun po yung link. All you have to do is to either click the link you need, you're gonna be routed to my website, no? Nandun po lahat ng information. Pinakababa po yung question form, how much per question, QR code, mode of payment, the name that you can refer, no? Or if for your reference, no? So I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box, no? Capricorn. And yan, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating free personal reading, um, sa raffle, no? Please, uh, report those fake accounts and then screenshot, email it, no, doon po sa designated email na para pag nagapi natin yan. I'm going to pick a winner for the raffle. And kung meron po kayong mga issues pa, no, o gusto malaman sa inyong mga yung X files po na reading, hindi ko po yan ipopost dito sa YouTube. Doon lang po yan sa Facebook. The Facebook is Babaylan TV. No? So Capricorn, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.